All right, let's see if we can teach you how to make a new suspension spring. First, you take your old one and you find your new shaft. These come in groups of a dozen from Time Savers. You find your length that you want. You must have a pair of round nose pliers. Now I'm going to put the new end way down on the end because I don't want to actually destroy this shaft as a sample. What you do is you take this suspension spring and you put it in your eye so that it disappears. See that? Now it's gone. Over here, you can see it. Now it's gone. Then you take your pliers and you pinch the area that you want to make the new hook. And when you grab this, you look down the shaft and you make it so that feather disappears, and then you roll this shaft right up and over until it's right straight up on that shaft like this. You see that? Now while the pliers are still in position, you move them over and you come over to the back and you bend this back like this. Then you take your pliers, you bring them over to the front, and you take this shaft and you bend it forward. Now take a pair of cutters and cut this. There's your new hook.